Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, we have a partnership with Webull where when you use our link and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. I use Webull right here. It's a stock trading app and I use it to buy and sell stocks and crypto. It's a really awesome app. It's called Webull. We have a link below. It's a legit partnership where literally all you have to do is make a deposit of at least 1 cent and they're gonna send you 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. So use our link below for Webull and let's get started with the video. 200 bucks a week to rent this piece of junk?
Oh, 200 pounds.
What's the translation?
I feel like that's around like 250 or 300.
It's more than... No, I think that's cheaper than the dollar.
No.
You sure?
I don't know. Just look up 200 pounds in dollars.
Yeah, 1.18. Yeah, so it's less. Oh no, you're right. The frick? $1.18. Oh, so it's worth more than the dollar. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, 235 bucks. For this hunk of junk.
I mean, that's less than the Tesla. That's like $100 less per week than Tesla.
You know the Tesla, there's a guy, by the way. Go check out this guy. Kudos to him. Your driver, Mike.
Oh, yeah.
He's doing
videos.
Wait, what?
He makes a lot of videos.
He made a video about the Tezzy. This one. Yeah. So look at this, guys. So this is what happened. So you know how it says on the channel or on the website 334?
Yeah.
Or 333 or whatever. So they also charge tax as well. And after it was all said and done, he was paying $445 a week.
So it's a scam.
Well, it's $334 a week, I guess, before taxes.
Yeah, they should advertise that. Like, they're like, oh, it's $334 a week. That's so cheap, which isn't really that cheap. But then really, it's over $100 more.
I think this was included because I called him out on it. I was like, bro, $445 a week is insane. And he said it. So to clarify, it was $392.
Oh, but then with supercharging, it was an extra $50.
Yeah. So the supercharging was 53 bucks.
Wow.
But still, I mean, even with the tax, that's an extra 60 bucks or whatever. It's taxes and fees.
Yeah.
Like, because imagine you're like, okay, you know, I've committed to this. I'm going to do it. You show up to pick up your Tesla and they're like, oh, it's $392. And you're like, well, I'm already here. Like, I've already committed to this. Like, I don't know. I just feel like that's so like...
It's like scammy because it's like, let's say you're like, you've already like budgeted.
Yeah.
Thing around like the 334 that they advertise, and then you're hit with like...
That's an extra, yeah, almost $60 a week, which, let's add that up. Okay, so what is that? So it's what, $58, right? $58 extra per week. Let's divide that by 7. It's an extra $8 a day, $8.2 per day. Times that by 31. So you're paying an extra 256 bucks a month just in fees to rent the dang thing. Like, that's a lot of extra money. That's almost a whole nother payment that they don't even tell you about. Thanks so much for watching today's video. And again, when you use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, they're going to send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Webull is an awesome stock trading app that I personally use to buy and sell stocks. So use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, and they're going to send you all the way up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Thanks for watching and see you next time.